Hi, thanks for visiting our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make this Papel Picado banner with a design that's quick and easy to cut. The finished banner measures approximately 8.65 by 8 inches. To make it, you'll need cardstock in 8, 5x11 or 12x12 inches. Once you've uploaded the file to Cricut Design Space, go to the right panel and click Ungroup. The template includes 2 layers, the banner and the fold line. Now let's add the text. Use the text tool and choose your favorite font. I'll be using Brie Serif from Google Fonts. For the ampersand symbol, I'll use a font from Cricut's library. Reduce the letter spacing, then apply the curve tool to shape the text. Make sure the letters touch the curved line, just enough, so they can be welded later. I unlock the size ratio by opening the padlock icon. This lets me stretch the letters slightly, especially when working with long names. Once everything is in place, it's time to weld. Select the text layers and the banner, but not the fold line. Then click Weld. If something doesn't look right, click Undo, Adjust, and weld again. After welding, the fold line may be hidden behind the banner. Send the banner layer to the back to reveal the fold line again. Now select the banner and its fold line and click Attach. Your banner is ready to cut. For this project, I'm using the cardstock for intricate cut setting. Let's cut it. I'm using 65 pounds white cardstock, but 80 pounds also works great. Use a mat with good grip and a sharp blade for best results. The design cuts beautifully, and it's quicker and easier than more complex designs. To assemble, just fold along the score line and use a string or ribbon to hang it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll keep sharing more and more SVG designs and tutorials to help you create amazing projects with your cutting machine.